What's up, YouTube? So as you can see behind me, I got something other than, okay, I always kind of got stuff in, but anyways, this guy come in for a couple different things, but the main thing that I want to point out today is he come in for a wheel bearing change after going to another shop, getting a brand new set of wheels and tires put on, and then it just had this god-awful sound. I wish I would have recorded it. It was just like the worst wheel bearings in the world. It sounded like they were grinding, catching. Well, wouldn't you know that it was not the wheel bearings. 2000 Honda Foreman, and yeah, it's got the disc brake front conversion. It's got the disc brake front conversion on it, and brand new wheel bearings. I feel like I would be doing an injustice to the to the customer if I changed them out. This is our problem. So anyways, okay, so this goes on here with your caliper bolts up to it, and it's got little panhead bolts, that flush mount. This is what it's supposed to look like, and this is what they look like. I mean, they're just, ooh, look at that here. Oh, alright, so I guess I lost one, but they're just beat to hell. Look at that. Look at it. So, and you're just all beat up here and here. I mean, it's just, look at that. I mean, it just ate the hell out of it. So anyways, I've come to the conclusion that this is the back of the hub. This goes on like so, and well, like so, and then so. What I think happened is this bolt backed out and started striking the other bolts when it was going forward. Like, so you're striking the bolts going this way in a reverse type motion, so it just slowly loosened them up. As far as I can tell, these did have Loctite. These, I don't know, because I pulled this one out. I mean, it's got a little bit of Loctite. Like I said, back up. New wheels and tires from a previous shop. And it just hit me all of a sudden. So these bolts just go all the way through. It's threaded here. Yeah, he had some blue Loctite here. Impact. So when they were impacting them off, you're taking the lug nut off. Well, it decided to back this bolt out of here, I think. No, that would not work. Okay, so it would have had to have been done when he was torquing them down, because say I'm tightening this and this is loosening. I got confused. So it wasn't done while he was taking them off. He was done while it was tightening down, because I noticed that this one was shorter than all the rest, as you can see. Okay, it's hard for y'all to see, but yeah, there, you can see better there. So, and well, that's why. That's what started it all. So I guess I'm gonna clean these up. Yeah, clean these up, pull these out, put more Loctite on them. I could not find the 70 mil bolt. I found a 60 mil bolt. Well, here's a 70, but the threads aren't, you see, okay, right about there. So I'd have to, or not. So I went with a 60 mil bolt, which is going to give us just enough for our lug nut to go through. A little bit, obviously 10 mil shorter, but so we're running a 60 mil until I can get some 70s in, or if the customer even cares, we're just going to do that. So alright, so all I did here was took my file and just cleaned where these were burred up real bad, just so the this is a 16 millimeter socket would fit on, and it didn't actually take much. I mean, so let's get these out of here and let's Loctite the hell out of them. Alright, so I just mic'd it, and let's see if we can do this, show y'all without falling. So our threads start about 32 millimeters and the end about 45. So yeah, I marked this 45 and 32, and so that's where we're going to put our thread locker. Well, this one ain't ever coming out, but we can't have that again, you know. So see. Oh, it's hard to see. So that's what we're looking for. Yep, we didn't sneak any through, so well, we can't see the other side. But all right, I'm gonna get the others done. See if I can't get y'all set up for this one. What y'all think? I think we can just ugga-dugga that sucker back in there, huh? So the 60s threads stop right before. It's just like perfect. Just a little bit short. Just a little bit shorter. Oh yeah, that's the 17. Alright, let's get the other side done. Alright, so I've been bad about recording this, but I wanted to. So I got the plates down on the rack. What I've come up with is this 2 to 1.5 inch and a coupler, a 2 to 2 coupler, because I do have the 2-inch Warrior riser on top. But basically, you know, we're bringing the 1.5 inch up through, and then the coupler is just going to smash that so this don't wiggle, so it don't. Well, I think it worked. So, wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Alright, so I said that we were just going to undo that. We're not, because I took the tire off to align it, and I happened to look, and this was actually touching the wheels, so I just stuck a little, see if y'all can see it. There's just a little piece of metal in there, you know, just to space it out, because I tried bending this, and it just kept this too, well, you can tell, you know, it's wearing this, but you know, I just kept binding it. So now we're good though. Nothing's touching, nothing's rubbing, and yeah, you can definitely tell the brakes are just a little, they just need to be wore down a little bit more. Yeah, it's touching there and toward the center and not back here, so they wear down just a little bit and they will be good.